Good morning, children. In the last class, we were learning about the question answers, children, and we completed the total chapter of the sound chapter, children. Okay. Therefore, since from the beginning of the class, we completed how many chapters, children? We completed the fourth chapter, friction, sound, reflection of light at plane surfaces, children. Therefore, here we completed the four chapters, children. Four chapters. That is force, friction, sound, reflection of light at plane surfaces, children. Okay. Therefore, children, as from 21st onwards, we are having revision, children. We are going to do the revision from 21st of this month, children. And whereas, and the next month, something third onwards, we'll be having the first examination. That is the FA1, children. FA1, it is in the online. Okay. We are having the FA1, children. For that, we are revising. We'll be doing the revision from 21st onwards. Okay, children? From 21st onwards of this month. As today is 17th, children. Okay, just today we'll revise. I don't want to start the next chapter. Okay, that is here we are having the some natural phenomena is there, children. Okay, some natural phenomena is the chapter. Okay, the next chapter what we are going to learn is the some natural phenomena. But before learning of this some natural phenomena, okay, children, we'll do the revision. Children. Therefore, as we are having time, I want to do the revision from now onwards, today onwards. Okay, children. Okay, I will after the FA1 examination, I will start the next chapter. Before that, we will do the revision daily. We will go with the revision, children. And here in the revision part, if you are having any doubts, if you have not understood any concept of any topic or any chapter, you can comment me in the WhatsApp group saying that, sir, excuse me, can you explain this problem? Can you explain the sound has energy activity? Can you explain this one? Can you explain that one? Like that you can ask, children. Okay? You should ask whatever the problem that you are facing, you should ask them. Okay, children? Right. Okay, that is the okay, that we are going to do, children. Therefore, today, as we completed the sound chapter, we'll go with the revision of the sound chapter, children. We'll go with the revision of the sound chapter. Okay, sound chapter. Okay, right. Here, children, the diagram, children, diagram of anatomy of larynx. Everyone should learn the anatomy of the larynx. Okay, children. Okay. Learning about larynx is very, very important. Okay. That means larynx has two muscular ligaments called as vocal cords. And here the total examination will be based on the objective type. Okay, objective type, children. Therefore, compulsory, you should learn each and every point, children, such that from that you will be getting the question answers. To score good marks, compulsory, you should learn you should go through the total textbook, children. Okay, total textbook means of the prescribed syllabus, whatever that we are having, that one, children. Okay. Here, larynx has two muscular ligaments called as vocal cords. In the examination, you may get that. The two muscular ligaments of the larynx is called as dash, vocal cord. Okay. Dash is stretched across the voice box. Vocal cords are stretched across the voice box, children. It leads to a narrow slit between them to allow the passage of air to produce the sound. The passage of air produces the sound, children. And here, vocal cords open during breathing to allow the air into the lungs. The question you may get, vocal cords dash during breathing to allow the air into the lungs. Open. Okay. Vocal cords dash when we speak. Vocal cords close when we speak. The air from the lungs passes between them to cause a vibration and produce the sound, children. Okay. And here length of vocal cords in men is nearly dash 20 mm. In women it is about 5 meters less. In women it is about 5 meters less. Whereas in children it is very shorter. Can we say the length of the vocal cords play an important role in deciding the quality of the sound produced by men and women? Yes, compulsory. Compulsory. Okay, children. Here we are learning about the Bismillah Khan and Veena Chitti Babu, children. This is also very, very important. Okay. Bismillah Khan, the most outstanding and world famous Shehnai player. Okay. You may get the questions that Bismillah Khan is a dash player. Shehnai player. Has attained astonishing mastery over an instrument. He was born in a small village in Bihar about 80 years ago. He spent his childhood in the holy city of Varanasi on the banks of river Ganga, where his uncle was the famous official Shehnai player in the Kashi Vishwanath temple. Kashi Vishwanath temple. Okay, right. Next about the Veena Chitti Babu. Veena Chitti Babu, he born in the month October 13th, 1936. And he died February 9th, 1996. He was a renowned classical musician from India and arguably one of the greatest Veena artists in the field of Carnatic music, a specialty of South India. He became a legend in his own lifetime. His name was synonymous with the musical instrument Veena, and he was still is known in the Carnatic music world simply as Veena Chitti Babu. He was called as what? Veena Chitti Babu, children. He is called as Veena Chitti Babu. Okay, children? Right. Next, here in this children, in this chapter, propagation of the sound. Sound cannot travel through dash vacuum. Sound cannot travel through vacuum. Light cannot travel through. Light can travel in the presence of the medium and in the absence of the medium. Okay, children? Right. And here we are learning about the ventriloquist, children. That is Gautam Srinivas and Nerella Venumadhav, the mimicry artist. Ventriloquist makes sounds or talk with hardly any movement of the lips. Lips are slightly separated, only slightly separated. The various words are spoken quickly. It is difficult for listeners to notice the difference. They have a very good control over breathing and movement of the lips. Throat and the muscles of the mouth, which aids in pronunciation and delivery of speech without much movement of lips and throat, children. They let to the breath out of the mouth by vibrating their lips in accordance to the air supply and relax muscles while doing this. That means they relax their muscles while doing of this mimicry. This is one of the most effective vocal activities. In Telangana, Chinchapattana Gautam Srinivas, that is CH Gautam Srinivas from Warangal district. He is a famous ventriloquist. He has performed more than 6,000 shows around the world. He created a sensational world record by performing a 32-hour non-stop mimicry in 1990. Therefore, here, children, a question will be asked that the person who had a world record by performing 32 hours non-stop mimicry in 1990 is dash. That is Gautam Srinivas. And next one is Dr. Nerella Venumadhav. The mimicry artists maintain a very good control over their voices. The magic they create is solely with their voice. They exercise their vocal parts to keep them fit to be able to enthrall the audience through their voice. Dr. Nerella Venumadhav is a world famous mimicry artist, children. He belongs to Warangal district. Both of them belong to the Warangal district. And here government of India honored him with a Padma Shri in 2001, children. Okay. He was honored as Padma Shri in 2001, children. Okay. Right. Okay, children. The remaining we'll be learning in the next class, children. Thank you. Have a nice day.